Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Infinix Note 40 or other Android app not installed issues, or how to solve an app installation problem. So there is some case. Maybe your storage is full. You need to clear up some space first before you install app or game, especially. And also, if you try to install the app from Play Store, try to clear cache. Again, try to clear up some space. And also, if you want to install from a unknown sources or beside the Play Store, you don't want to install from Play Store, you can do it, but you have to enable unknown resource first. Here, you can try to type unknown source installations on your settings, Android settings. You can tap it. Here you can try to enable Chrome, enable file manager, enable files by Google if you installed Google Files. So just enable from three sources. You can try to download an app or games from other sources and try to install it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.